Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajesh Kumar. Today I'm gonna to teach you database. So what is the relationship database and what is the difference between data and information? So let's start difference between the data and information. So what is the data and what is the information? Data in terms of in raw form, so it is called data. Information means a meaningful data. Suppose data has suppose there is two digits 65 and 185. So if you write 65 and 185 like this, so there was no sense of 65. This is only a number. If we can see, maybe someone says 65 degree and 185 degree. So a degree means a information. You can see, so meaningful data is called information. So this is the main difference between data and information. As you can see this figure, the initial survey, and this initial survey has like this is the survey, and this is the B is the raw data, and this raw data is including the this raw data turned into information, maybe information in terms of graph format, maybe text format, but this is the summarized information. So this is the difference between the data and information. Now let's start what is the relationship database. A data has a relationship. So each table, what is the table, what is the row, and what is the relationship between. Suppose there is a data like what's the relationship between the databases. So we can give you example like a class. One class has a student. So class is the object and a student is the object. So this is the class, this is the student. So there is a relationship between class and student. And the same way, so suppose this is a room. This room is for what? Maybe this classroom has a relationship with building 1. So this building belongs to this institute, and this institute belongs to this university. So there is a relationship between university and department and class. So maybe teacher and student has a relationship. So what is teacher teaches a student. So this is a relationship between the teacher and student. So every object is a class actually. So each class has a table and mechanism. So let me show you one example of the database. So how database works. Faculty. Suppose each university has faculties, arts, science, business, whatsoever. So this is the faculty ID and this is faculty name. As you can see, the other table is the department. So each faculty has different departments, such as science. Science has computer science, electronics. There are many departments in the science department. So you can see the faculty has science 2 has communication department, 2 has a computer science department, and 2 has a electronics department whatsoever. This faculty key go to the table, it's called foreign key. Foreign key can be repeated, but the primary key is unique, so it will not repeat it again. So this table has a department ID as a primary key, and this department go to the program. Each department has different kind of programs, such as computer science has BS program, MS program, PhD program. And then you can see this is the department ID 111 has PS Masters, and this is the 222, then this is BS, MS, PhD. Each program has different pages like 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. So you can see each program has different pages. each batch may be sometimes morning batch, may sometimes evening program. So this is shift morning evening. Each batch has different students, name different kind of students. So this is the student table, and you can see each batch has. So this is the relationship. One class is with another program, another table has another relationship. So this is the primary key, and primary key passed to the another table, it's called foreign key. This primary key has passed to this table, it is called foreign key, So there is a table contains three kinds of things. One is rows, one is table name, and other is row is called tuple in the database, and this is the data. This is the column names. This is called column names. Column names is a unique. It will not repeat in the table. Also, each column name has an attribute like have a maybe this ID is a integer or float integer, and maybe this is name is a varchar. Each column has a data type. This is the main function of database. How it works, I will let you know how it works. This is suppose this is the number of users request to the database management system, and this database management system go through the number of tables, it retrieve the data through the query, and after it retrieve the query and the data is retrieved to the application end user. So there are number of users is access to the database has different queries, and based on query it retrieve the data. So this is the overview of database. Next class, now we will explain it more deeply and we will learn more deeply